Have you ever heard a strange noise in your house at night? Well, what the Kowalski family experienced is the stuff of nightmares. In February 2018, this family from Gdańsk, Poland, called the police. Terrified, they reported a slow, rhythmic knocking coming from inside their apartment walls, like someone tapping with their fingernails. The police came, checked everything, but found nothing. That very night, the horror escalated. Neighbors heard the knocking again, but this time it was louder, more frantic, followed by blood-curdling screams. The police rushed back, but the apartment door was locked from the inside. When they finally broke in, what they saw was chilling. All the furniture was shoved against the walls, and the walls themselves were covered in scratches, as if something was trying to claw its way out from within. In the middle of the living room floor, there was a dark, gaping hole that wasn't there before. The Kowalski family was gone. Vanished. The apartment was sealed, but locals say the knocking continues, always at 3:17 a.m. Would you dare spend a night there? Let me know in the comments.